Namaskar. So let's begin from this lecture the new chapter, which is determinants. So in this chapter we will study about determinants, what it is, and how we are going to utilize it in different applications. So before that, since already we have studied matrices, and now you know that how we represent matrix and how a system of linear equations can be represented in the matrix form. Now here you see that from matrix how we reach to determinant and what is its role. So let's have a look at it. So for example, let's say we have a linear equation like this: a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, right? So as we know that this equation should have a unique solution. When it will have a unique solution if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, right? That we already know from your previous study. It means that if a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0, then it would have this equation would have a unique solution. So that we know. Now if I have to represent this equation in matrix form, so how you can write? You can write a1 b1 a2 b2, right? And here you will have x y, and you can have here c1 c2, right? The same linear equations can be represented in a matrix form. Now you see when we are talking about that uniqueness of this matrix, so if this conditions to be satisfied, then you will have a unique solution. It means that if this condition, so if you see that in this matrix representation of it, so this matrix, let's say this is this matrix a1 b1 a2 b2, this is going to be the matrix which is going to determine whether it would have a unique solution or not, right? So that's why this matrix A is called determinant of this matrix is called determinant of A, or we just simply write it determinant A, which is the deciding matrix whether this equation would have unique solutions or no unique solution. So this way you can see that how a linear equation can be represented in a matrix form, and also the matrix which is going to be the deciding factor that constitute the determinant of that matrix which is going to decide that it will have a unique solution, and then we'll see how to find it. So there is a lots of usage of this determinant in you talk about science, economics, or social sciences, and many other fields. So the determinants are widely used. And also here in this chapter we are going to study about determinants mostly, as we discuss about matrices, that it will be mostly for the real entries, real numbers. So similarly here we will mostly cover the determinants for the real numbers or real matrices, and also we will study about the properties like determinants, minors, cofactors, and what is the applications of determinants in the square matrix case, how to find a inverse of a square matrix, and also utilizing this to find the linear system of linear equations solution to that of 2 variable, 3 variable. So this is all kind of applications or examples we are going to see in this lecture. So that will start it and will proceed individually in different sections. So from next lecture we will discuss more about detail about the determinant. So see you there. Thank you.